Stop! Stop. Stop. Come over here.
What?
Walk over here. Hey, find the third. Get her, Josh. Drop your bags, please. Alright, right now you're just being detained. We're conducting an investigation, okay? Put your hands behind your back.
Oh my God.
Put your hands behind your back. Don't resist. Just right in front of the car. Right here? You can just hang out right here.
On August 12th, 2023, officers from the local police department responded to reports of retail theft at a shopping mall involving 3 female suspects. What began as a routine shoplifting investigation would reveal a sophisticated operation involving multiple stores and anti-theft countermeasures. The officer properly initiates the detention by reading Miranda rights to the first suspect, establishing the legal foundation for any subsequent questioning. Under the Fourth Amendment, police may detain individuals when they have reasonable suspicion of criminal activity, which clearly exists here based on witness reports.
So I got to read you your rights before I talk to you at all. You're being detained for a theft investigation.
Death?
Theft, no death. Nothing crazy like that. No. So you have the right to remain silent. Do you understand? Anything you say may be used against you in court. Do you understand? That's a yes.
Yes.
Right? You have the right to talk to a lawyer before and during questioning. Do you understand?
Yes.
If you cannot afford a lawyer and you want one will be provided for you before questioning without charge.
Yes. This means you take me to jail?
No, that just means you're detained right now. Because you're in handcuffs, I have to read these questions to you.
Okay, I understand.
Has anyone threatened you or promised you anything to get you to talk to me? No? Okay. So, the reason... What's that?
I can't go to jail. I can't.
You've never been in trouble before?
No, I've got a ticket for speeding.
That's it?
I ran a stop sign, yes.
You've never even got like a court date?
Never,
nothing like that?
No, I went to court for driving without license.
So
I first never had my license.
Whose idea was it for you guys to come out here and do this?
Just being stupid. Just back to school. I need to get my niece an outfit. I know.
Try and get your sister an outfit?
My niece.
Your niece, gotcha. Is one of them your niece or she's not here?
She's not here.
Okay.
Yes, one of them is my niece, but that's not my niece.
Not who you were going to get it for? Were you all trying to get it for your niece or just separate?
I don't know what. I was by myself. We were together, but I was by myself.
Gotcha. Well, you're all on video and everything. Is this shirt even?
No, I leave tags on all my stuff.
You just leave tags on?
Yes, because I like my closet to look new.
I gotcha. Yeah, you guys were on video. We have witnesses saying that you guys are stealing from a bunch of different stores. And obviously you've got a bunch of bags here, no receipts.
I have one
is
bag.
anything here paid for?
Yes.
What's paid for?
What's paid for is H&M is paid for.
H&M?
Yes.
Do you guys have the receipt?
No, I was doing an exchange.
You were doing an exchange?
Yes, my stuff is on my because I paid with a card.
Okay. So you have H&M stuff that you were going to exchange?
Yes.
Did you end up exchanging it?
No, only exchanged 2 shirts.
2 shirts?
Yeah, and then they didn't have anything else for my size.
Okay. So what did you get for those 2 shirts? Did they give you like store credit or
No,
clothes?
they let me switch it out for the right size.
You just switched it out for the right size? Okay. And you have some
Only
kind of
thing that I
receipt
took
or email for that?
The only thing I took is a pair of a skirt.
From H&M?
No.
From where?
I don't know the store. That's the only
Okay, that's
thing
alright.
that I took.
We'll end up finding it. What about at New Balance?
Nothing.
You didn't take anything from New Balance?
Nothing.
So just because you weren't the one who took it out of the store doesn't mean you weren't involved in the whole
I didn't take nothing
theft.
from New Balance.
So you handed the other girl in the green a pair of shoes, or it was shorts or something, or
I didn't get
the
nothing
leggings.
from New Balance.
I know, but
didn't even shop
you handed
there.
it to her, and she walked out with it without paying.
I don't know what she did. I didn't get nothing out of New Balance. I didn't touch nothing out of New Balance. I didn't give her nothing out of New Balance.
The only thing that you took was a skirt, you said?
Yes.
Okay. You don't remember what store it was from?
I think it's Rule 21. I'm not sure. Or Charlotte Rules.
Ruth? Okay. Okay. Do you have a wallet? Were you intending to pay for anything?
Yes.
You were?
Yes.
But how come you didn't pay for it?
I just didn't pay for the skirt. Everything else I was doing a return.
Everything else you were just returning
Yes.
stuff? But what about all the stuff in your bags here?
I have one bag and a purse.
Your bag was...
It's brown.
Was it this? Oh, no,
No.
it's the bag there in the purse.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So, if I look in that bag, it's just going to be a skirt?
Yes, and H&M.
And then H&M stuff?
Yeah.
All right.
Literally, it's just a skirt.
Okay. Is there anything in the car?
No.
There's nothing in your car?
No.
Or is it your car?
No, it's not my car.
Okay. Whose car does it belong to?
My sister.
Which one is that?
The one in the middle.
Okay. And you were going to say something?
Yeah, and I'm not driving. I'm meeting someone at the McDonald's.
You're meeting someone at McDonald's?
Yeah.
Okay. But you were in their car with them?
But drove here? Yes, I'm leaving separate.
You were just leaving separate?
Yeah,
Okay.
I have to go to work.
Okay. Never been in trouble before?
Never been in trouble before.
Have you ever stolen before and gotten away with it? This
No.
is your first time trying to do this thing?
No.
Okay. Because I don't recognize you. Normally we have the repeat offenders who are always stealing,
I've never been to
to
jail.
Okay.
I've never been in the back of a police car.
What about your sister? Has she ever been in trouble for it?
A long time ago.
A while ago? Okay. All right. I'm going to sit you back down and then just talk to you guys one at a time, and then hopefully your stories come straight and true and we can prove it all with video. But it might take another 30 minutes to an hour. Come back and sit over here.
The suspect claims this is her first offense, stating she's never been to jail or in the back of a police car before, which could be a mitigating factor in sentencing. She admits to taking only a skirt from an unknown store, while claiming the H&M items were purchased legitimately for exchange purposes. The officer's questioning technique is methodical and professional, allowing the suspect to provide her version of events without coercion or intimidation. Notice the suspect's claim that she leaves tags on clothing to keep her closet looking clean. This appears to be an attempt to explain security tags found on unpaid merchandise. The officer correctly points out that having no receipt for claimed exchanges raises immediate red flags about the legitimacy of the merchandise possession. When questioned about New Balance items, the suspect initially denies involvement, but the officer indicates they have video evidence of coordination between the three suspects. The officer demonstrates proper interrogation technique by informing the suspect that all their actions were captured on surveillance video from multiple stores. The second suspect receives the same Miranda warnings, ensuring constitutional protections are maintained throughout the investigation process.
Just have a seat. Where are you sitting? Oh, yeah. Alright. So like I was explaining to her, because you guys are in handcuffs, come stand right here for me. Because you guys are in handcuffs, I can't even really talk to you. They can't talk to you until we read you your rights. Alright? So I'm going to read you your rights real quick. And then just let me know if you understand. You can say yes or no. Alright, you have the right to remain silent. Do you understand? That's a yes?
Yes.
Anything you say may be used against you in court. Do you understand?
Yeah.
You have the right to talk to a lawyer before and during questioning. Do you understand?
Yeah.
If you cannot afford a lawyer and you want one will be provided for you before questioning without charge. Do you understand?
Mm-hmm.
And has anyone threatened you or promised you anything to get you to talk to me? No? Okay. So I know the bags on the outside here, the purse and the one brown bag, were the female that I just spoke to. I think that's your sister. And then this one's yours or the middle one's? This one is? Okay. So whose idea was it to come out here and do this stuff? I don't think it was your sister's, because she's never been in trouble. I've never seen her before doing this kind of thing. I don't think I've seen you either. Was it your idea? Was it whose idea?
It wasn't really an idea. Kind of just happened.
It just kind of happened? Like you guys got together and decided to come take stuff without paying?
No, not like that. Like we came to the mall and this happened. It wasn't really planned.
Okay. Do you guys have money at all? Like, were you planning on paying for anything?
Yeah.
You were? Then how come you walked out without paying for anything?
Stupid decisions.
Yeah. How old are you?
34.
You're 34? Okay. Do you have anything in your vehicle from like New Balance or any of these other stores? No. Is the New Balance stuff inside your bags? These bags here? So at New Balance we have video and witnesses saying that you guys were stealing stuff. They saw you. These two were like handing you items and you were putting it in your bag. Is that stuff here or is that stuff in the car? I think I see some New Balance stuff in there. I haven't even searched through them yet. I will be searching through them, but I just wanted to see if you guys are telling the truth or not, and trying to make up my mind on what we're going to end up doing. So, the New Balance stuff is in the car or in here, or you're just not sure? Think it might be in that one? Okay. What else stores did you go to in here, in this outlet mall? I know you came from New Balance. Did you go anywhere before New Balance? Tommy Hilfiger over there in that same plaza, and then came over here, and then went to New Balance, and then came over here, and then I know you went to Nike, H&M. What else have you gone to in here? Only Nike and H&M?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So when we look in these bags, there's not going to be any other merchandise from like Adidas or Under Armour or any other place other than Nike, H&M, New Balance, or Tommy?
Yeah.
Okay. And what?
Charlotte.
Charlotte? What is that? That's the name of the store? Oh, Charlotte. Okay. I don't think I've heard of that one. Okay. Have you ever been in trouble for theft or stealing?
Yeah, a long time ago.
A long time ago? How long? Like a year?
Like 7 years.
7 years? How come you didn't like learn your lesson from 7 years ago? No. All right. Okay, I'm gonna have you sit down, and then I'm gonna grab the other one. Can you just help me out? There's a ton of stuff in there. I don't know what. Is that all H&M?
Everything is H&M.
Everything in here is H&M.
Yes.
I thought you said it was just a skirt.
I said this is the only thing that I touched.
Well, what's all that?
That's my stuff that I did. That's H&M.
I know, but so where was this from?
This is from, I don't know if it's Rouge or Charlotte. I don't know.
It's one of those?
Yes,
There's no tag on it other than the security tag? Did the alarm? Oh, here it is. Charlie Rouge, gotcha. Did the alarm go off when you walked out?
It was a lot of people going out.
Gotcha. Okay. So this is Rouge. This is all H&M? Okay. And you were bringing it in for exchange?
Yes, I had to exchange 2 shirts.
Okay. All right. So everything in there is H&M?
Yes.
Do you have a receipt, email, anything saying that you exchanged it?
Yes,
I know you were telling me.
I have an email.
Is it on your phone? Or?
Yes, it's on my phone.
Do you want to show me? If you can show me that, then I'll go. This will go right back with
Yes,
you.
I can show you.
Do you have your phone, or is it in here?
It's in my phone.
It's all the same ads.
I don't know where it's at, but it has to be my email because I didn't get a paper receipt and I used the card.
Okay.
And if you want H&M, you can do all that.
Okay.
I promise I'm telling you the truth. It's just this skirt.
Just that one. Okay, you can go back, have a seat. Can I talk to you one more time over here? Is this your bag? No. That was just there? Oh, that was yours. Okay. So I know you guys went into H&M. There's a ton of H&M stuff. Was any of that paid for? You don't know? Okay. There's like security tags and no receipts or anything. Your sister was saying that she has receipts emailed to her on her phone. She showed me her phone. We went through the emails. There's no receipts or anything. So what we're about to do, you guys can sit here for hours while we go through footage of H&M, or you can just tell us that none of that was paid for, and we can skip forward some of the hours of watching the video footage. So was any of that stuff paid for from H&M?
Mine wasn't. Well, my hat was.
The hat was? So this might be easier. What all was paid for? One hat? Because there were a couple hats.
I'm not exactly sure. The hat that you see on top.
The white colored one, cream colored one? That one was paid for? And that's the only thing that was paid for from H&M? So what was your thought process? Like, if I pay for one thing, they won't know? Or like, why did you pay for that and nothing else?
I didn't really have a thought process.
You didn't what?
This is not something I thought out, so that's I don't have any answers. Like, I don't even know.
Like, you didn't just want to walk out with that hat too and not pay for any of it?
Please.
Just decided to pay for one?
No, I don't even know.
Okay. All right. So it's just like, it wasn't the whole planned thing. This isn't your job. You don't do this. Were you trying to sell the stuff?
No.
No. Okay, and it's just for you guys, or for you, whoever you're buying it for? You're not selling it? Okay.
When asked whose idea the theft operation was, the suspect claims it just happened, which is a common response attempting to minimize premeditation. The officer's question about having money to pay for items is crucial. It establishes intent to permanently deprive, a key element of theft charges. At 34 years old, this suspect should understand the serious legal consequences of retail theft, making her participation particularly concerning. The officer reveals they have video evidence and witness statements from New Balance showing coordinated theft activity between all three suspects. The suspect admits to previous theft charges from 7 years ago, establishing a pattern of criminal behavior that will impact sentencing considerations. The officer's question about why she didn't learn from her previous arrest 7 years ago highlights the recidivist nature of this offense. During the bag search, the officer discovers significantly more merchandise than initially claimed, contradicting the suspect's statement about taking just a skirt. The suspect now admits that only one H&M hat was actually paid for, while claiming the rest was brought for exchange, an explanation that lacks supporting documentation. The discovery of multiple items from Charlotte Russe, Nike, H&M, New Balance, and Tommy Hilfiger demonstrates the scope of this theft operation across numerous retailers. When asked about her thought process for paying for only one item, the suspect admits she had no plan, suggesting impulse rather than sophisticated criminal thinking. The officer establishes that this was personal use theft rather than theft for resale, which may affect the severity of charges under state law.
So in your purse you have that aluminum foil stuff. Is that to block the sensors from going off? What? So you have a whole bunch of aluminum foil. What boosters like Shoplifters do is have aluminum foil to block the sensors from alarming the security sensors. You have a whole bunch of them all lined up in your purse that you had. What was those for? For what? Okay. And none of the New Balance stuff is here, so it's in the car. So are we gonna find anything else in the car? Because I'm able to search it just based off. I know you guys got in your car with stolen stuff, so I'm gonna search your car for stolen stuff. Is there anything else in there? What? No. Okay. Weed, got the aluminum foil. New Balances. This is the New Balance bag. Come back over here. Alright, now I know it's way more than what we initially thought. How long have you been doing this whole theft thing? You obviously know more than what I had thought at first.
Like, what do you mean?
Like, weeks, months, years? You have a ton of stuff here. I know you just did it today, but like, have you been doing this thing for a long time? You just been getting away with it? What made you decide to come out here and like tear up all these stores? I just found so much more stuff in your car. Okay. Can you come over here real quick? Alright, like I was just explaining to your sister, now I obviously know you guys are taking way more stuff than I initially thought.
What?
You were in the front passenger seat sitting with a whole bag of stolen
That's nothing
stuff.
to do with me, and I don't think that's a bag of stolen stuff.
Okay, so did you pay for any of it?
No, I brought stuff with me when we came, so I can match properly. Like, I told you what I took.
Okay, come over here. This stuff was sitting in your seat up there. I just want to know what store it's from without having to. Is it all American Eagle?
I don't know.
You have no idea.
No, that's not my stuff. That's not my
It's
stuff.
sitting with you. There's aluminum foil on the.
I'm telling you, sir, it's not my stuff. I told you what's mine.
Okay, whose is it?
I don't know what pants these are. What size
Trevor.
are they?
Hey, you. Yeah, we got them in front of Nike Round. You can go back and sit down.
You don't want me to tell you what's mine and what's not?
Yeah. Thanks, Trevor. If you want to tell me the truth, but I don't think you're telling me the truth.
I am telling you the truth.
Okay.
I told you what's
what's
mine.
yours?
None of this stuff in this bag is mine.
None of this stuff in this bag
No.
that was sitting on your seat is not yours.
No.
Okay. What seat were you sitting on in the car?
I was sitting in the front seat,
Okay.
passenger side.
So that was just there when you got in the car?
Yes, sir.
All right. What about what you said you were going to tell me what else is yours?
I brought Ari panties.
R.A. panties?
Airy panties.
Airy.
They're
Oh,
like
okay.
shorts. That's
Gotcha.
what I brought, and I needed to find a shirt to go with it. But I brought that from home. Like, that's what I had in the car.
Okay. What about all this stuff? This is all in the car too. This is all Nike. This is all Adidas.
I told you what I had, sir. Airy.
Okay.
It's
But
A-R-I.
you were definitely in New Balance with them.
And I didn't
and
take
this
nothing out
stuff's
of
all
New
New
Balance.
Balance.
I don't have nothing
Okay.
New Balance. I
All
didn't
right.
I told you what I took. That skirt out of
Okay, go have a
Charlemagne's.
seat. Go have a seat.
The discovery of aluminum foil in the suspect's purse is significant evidence of premeditation, as this material is commonly used to defeat electronic security tags. Aluminum foil acts as a Faraday cage, blocking radio frequencies from security sensors and preventing alarms when stolen merchandise passes through store exits. The suspect's inability to explain the aluminum foil's purpose strongly suggests knowledge and use of shoplifting countermeasures. The vehicle search reveals additional stolen merchandise, confirming this was a multi-store theft operation rather than isolated incidents. The officer also discovers marijuana during the search, adding drug possession charges to the already serious theft allegations. The sheer volume of merchandise recovered from the vehicle indicates this operation targeted numerous stores throughout the shopping center. When confronted with the evidence, the officer asks how long this theft pattern has been ongoing, suggesting this may not be an isolated incident. The third suspect initially denies ownership of merchandise found in her seat, despite the items being in close proximity to her person. Her claim that stolen merchandise was just there when she got in the car strains credibility given the coordinated nature of the theft operation. The suspect admits to bringing personal items from home to match properly, indicating planning and premeditation in the theft scheme. This case demonstrates several key elements of organized retail theft: multiple suspects, multiple stores, use of defeat devices, and significant monetary value. The total value of nearly $2,000 in stolen merchandise elevates these charges to felony level in most jurisdictions. All three suspects were ultimately charged with multiple felonies, including grand theft, organized retail theft, and possession of anti-shoplifting devices. The adult suspects were transported to jail while the juvenile was taken to the Juvenile Assessment Center for processing. This case illustrates the serious legal consequences of organized retail theft and the sophisticated investigative techniques used by law enforcement to combat it.